Bob manages collections for an international brand and he's worried. Since COVID, sales have dropped and even good customers are delaying payments. This means Bob's primary KPI, Days Sales Outstanding, has doubled. Bob's measured on this and knows he must act now to reverse this trend. Bob has talked with his collections leads, Sally and Ted. Their teams are working flat out to make existing targets, and to increase results they need to add more staff. But Bob can't justify the increased cost as budgets have been cut. Sally and Ted say they can't work any longer or any harder, but they could work smarter. Bob asks, what makes the biggest impact on customer receipts? Sally and Ted both reply that the volume of calls has the biggest impact, but how do they release time to make more calls? Sally suggests consolidating the information into fewer screens. This would provide an immediate time saving and open bandwidth to call more customers. Bob agrees it is the right approach and calls SpringboardUX. Our three champions tell SpringboardUX each agent should make 6 calls an hour, and each call requires 5 EnterpriseOne screens, a lot of mouse clicking, and 45 key clicks. SpringboardUX look at the data used and discover that a composite page in UX1 will enable each agent to do the same thing in just one screen with 10 key clicks, and this will reduce the cycle time by 3 minutes, which enables 2.6 more calls per hour, 20 more calls per day. That's 100 more calls per week per agent. SpringboardUX also included dashboards in screens for our three champions that show the overall team and agent performance for each day, week and month. SpringboardUX schedule the delivery workshops and model the new process and screen design. The implementation is well planned and risk-free, as the old screens are still available as a fallback. Bob asked for feedback at the end of the first week, and hears that after a couple of hours getting used to the new screens, the agents are more productive and the number of calls per hour has reached the target. At the end of the first month, Bob reports to his manager that the rise in DSO has stopped. His manager is happy, Bob is happy, and with the new metrics he can easily target the next biggest time stealer.